I hear you're making Super Nintendo World.
it's Mickey creeping like, I'll get you one day, Nintendo. Like, okay.
All right, we're back with Paper Mario, the Origami King.
Boom. All right,
So
so
we cleaned up these guys.
yeah, it was a real simple battle. You guys didn't miss much.
Yeah, that's a really cool feature. And now we'll open up and see what's inside. I see you.
There you are, Toad.
I heard the Shuriken Dojo behind here has some great prizes. I just wish someone else was running it.
Jeez.
Oh, can you swing it?
I'm trying. It doesn't really do much. Goes like it goes like that.
I don't know, I feel like there's another chair, so I wonder if there's another Toad somewhere in the room.
Okay. Well,
Maybe.
yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, well, there's always next time.
It could just be for polite company. Sit, Mario. Have a drink with me. No, Toad, I don't think I will. Okay. Good luck on your journey.
Aha! Deft a field.
Oh, the struggle
Damn
is
this
real.
depth perception!
For me, it's not just games, it's real life. You gotta reach for something and you don't realize how far away it is.
Okay, so I'm gonna pull these guys up.
There you go. And perfect.
Woo!
Da-da-da!
A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Goodbye,
One.
Shy Guys.
A two, a three, a crunch.
That'll work.
Boom.
Yeah!
Where did that throw his face? Okay.
Okay.
Oh, there's a Toad up on the... Do you see the purple flower?
Purple one. You think?
I think so. I don't know what else it could be.
Yeah. It seems a little random. But the fact that, like, I can't interact with it.
Maybe it is just a flower.
Oh my.
Wow.
Yeah. But these aren't.
Wow, my favorite Zabuton was stolen again? We've been playing musical chairs with our Zabutons. That's a kind of cushion used to sit on tatami mats.
Oh, a lot of culture in here.
There is, yeah.
A whole bunch of culture.
Phew, I snagged a Zabuton just in time.
Musical chairs. That's cute. Look at his sad.
I didn't
Aw.
get a Zabuton.
There's a lot of, like, really nice little details that they have in here. From, like,
Oh, stupid sticker.
the
Oh, here we go.
aesthetic to the, like,
Yeah.
the Zabuton chairs, the little tables, like,
Oh, this game is like dripping in personality.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I get the feeling like I gotta flip them. Oh. It was a cat.
it's a kitty.
I was just taking a little cat nap, don't mind me.
For some reason, I thought I'd have to, like, make them all the same color. Nope. Sorry, buddy. Purple, purple, purple. I don't know. Guess it was just him. This is fine.
We're fine.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so... Did I want to go, like, up and around, then? Yeah, like, right up here. Skidoo-doo-doo-doo.
Skadoosh.
What does that say?
Check.
Shuriken Dojo. Enter here. Don't mind if I do.
Oh, I just love the cherry blossom.
Yeah. Worth every coin.
I should check to see if we can grow cherry blossoms in our climate.
That'd be amusing.
I would love to have a cherry blossom.
Okay, what we got here? No games yet? No? No games open? Anything? I win.
Oh, come on.
I'm guessing this... Ooh, here we go. Expert mode. All-time high score, 99 points by a toad. Today's high score, no points. Win yourself an incredibly rare autographed baseball. Clear normal mode to take it home.
How do you...
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I thought I could just ring the gong. And I'd be like, hey, sign me up.
Let me play! I want to play!
Alright, I guess I'll come back here then. Because I don't see anything. I don't even see, like, where I could... Like, a toad would be?
Yeah.
Because I thought the toad would, like, run it. There's a statue up there.
There's a statue.
Alright.
Maybe once everything's out, you can come back.
Yeah,
and
and it'll actually be Shogun Studios.
yeah.
But for now,
Oh,
I
there's
have
another
to...
one up on the... Did you see him wiggle?
Yeah, I did.
The guy who runs the Shuriken Dojo is always missing. Maybe he's hiding out in the staff room again. Probably napping on the job.
Like the staff room of the building, or... I didn't see no other room, though. Now, did we go this way?
No.
Okay. Let's exhaust all of our options first.
Oh, there's one.
Gotcha.
If you're feeling lost, just check the information board outside. It's your guide to all of Shogun Studios.
Well, that's helpful.
Thanks, bro.
Well, thank you. Coinage, yo. Yeah.
Okay.
So I got a bunch of stickers that I need to, like, undo. But I also need to find how. Ooh.
Ooh, now that is an imposing castle. It overlooks the entire park. The toads that work here are being held captive inside, right? Okay, you two, let's rescue the staff, get rid of the streamer, and save the park so we can have some fun. That gate won't open!
She could have just knocked.
Hey! Anybody in there? Sorry I slammed into your door. Please open the gate.
I don't think those folded soldiers are gonna open up for us, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm clearly bad at this. This gate is too big and heavy for my tiny folds. Mario Dono, may I request your assistance?
Open sesame! Well, I've done all I can do. Hey, good effort. I'd lend a hand myself, but, well, you know. Huh? Look, there's a keyhole here.
How did I miss that? If there's a keyhole, we must just have to find the key. Easy peasy.
But that key could be hiding anywhere, ma'am.
Oh, that's a little less easy. This park is huge. I guess we'd better start searching. She's like, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And he's like,
Stress depressed lemon zest.
that's right.
So I got the straw, but I just need someone who uses the straw. Well, we still got a lot to explore still.
Yeah.
Oh, you!
Oi. I can go in here.
Yes, I can.
It's empty. Oh!
I can't seem to get enough rest. So sleepy. Boo! I can't thank you enough for finding me, even if I can't get out of here. I can't use the stupid expensive royalty pass if I can't get out! I'm supposed to be having fun! I cannot let anyone see my face. All the days to wake up with is it. cannot be done.
I'm like that, but with hives. You can, like, literally sit there for a minute and watch the hives bloom on my face.
Aw.
I'm just like, excuse me, I have hives. I have to go now.
Hey, that's clearly a toad. Unless that's a sign. Oh, look.
Oh.
Progress.
Da, 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 da.
There we go.
Now you can get through. Oh,
What?
I saw the other little toad. You already talked to him.
Oh, okay. Let's see what's in here.
Let us go inside. Okay.
Ooh, this is a photo studio.
Oh, this is the costume place.
Oh, cool.
I came here to have my photo taken, but the photo took me instead. Wow!
Photoception.
Okay, that's it.
Mario's like, I'm going to beat this very expensive camera with my hammer.
So yeah, you're probably right. Like, we explore a lot more of this area when we... Ooh! Look at my green screen! Smile for the camera. Okay.
Yeah, I have a feeling like once the park opens up, so it's beating all the folded soldiers and like getting the trading down, and then like you can explore and like get all the stuff.
Wow, they're all harassing that poor villager. Well, let's go see where the adventure is. Alright, alright.
My initial
How do I get
instinct is like, suck, bro.
How do I get inside?
Like, I am not a hero.
Yeah, we've established that in Zelda.
Yeah. And I'm like, the Yoshi doll is right there. Can't I just
see you.
take it?
Pull. Yeah.
Ta-da!
I hear footsteps on the roof sometimes. I'm sure it's just a mouse, right?
Oh, I hear you're making Super Nintendo World.
It's Mickey creeping like, I'll get you one day, Nintendo. Like,
Yay, Water Elemental's wheel.
if I knew how to do the Mickey Mouse voice, it's just like you should creepily do the Mickey Mouse. Oh, I'll get you one day, Nintendo. Like,
Oh, I'll get you one day, Nintendo.
like just Mickey rubbing his hands together.
You may have won Wreck-It Ralph, but I'll win the next round. Okay, we got a door here. Okay, now this one just seems peculiar.
That's I mean, like, that sword's gotta be for something.
Look at all this coinage.
Money.
Money, 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 money.
I wish it was that easy to find money in real life.
my
like, you just go around
God.
and beat on stuff till money falls out.
What's this? I need $60 for the phone bill? Hang on. Bap, bap, bap.
You
Just
just
go on a
beat
hammer,
on
smack
wall
all the
buildings.
trees.
I'd like to trade this bag of confetti for money.
Really?
Thank
No
you.
toad? No toad in here? Just a lot of coins? Alright. No, like, secret block? No? Yeah? Yeah. Very well then. Carry on.
Mario's like, okay, I guess we leave now.
I guess that's just the way it's gonna be. Alright. Okay. I'm getting it. So clear this up. And then I think I can go up here.
There was a little thing that said, listen. Oh,
Whoa!
wow.
Zagoomba!
Oompa, goompa.
Alright, this is fine.
Doopity-doo.
How many moves do I got?
These
3.
ones do
Okay.
have a lesson
So let me
for
do 1, 2,
you. 3.
tweet.
Boom.
And these are just Goombas, so just my
Yeah.
regular boots will suffice.
I'm just gonna put my boots on and go to town.
Ha ha!
Da-da-da-da! That's a lot of confetti for one Goomba.
Yeah. He was holding
There
out
you
on
go.
us. Let's climb down first. Do your worst.
Give me your worst. Okay.
Oh, he's got one of those elemental things.
So if you have at least 2, I would shift 1 back.
I have 3.
Okay, shift 1 back.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I see
And
what
then
you're
just like, there you go.
Now it said wave battle, right? Because otherwise it's pointless for me to get this.
Yeah. Well, I mean, like, you have to kill him either way.
Yeah. And then you activate it, and then another wave comes in.
He's the last wave.
And then if you'll excuse me, it's Olivia's turn.
Olivia's like, Olivia, elemental transformation power.
Rock slam!
I wonder when she's gonna like transform into the water elemental.
Yeah.
Or if she will, or if she'll just remain the...
If I were to guess, I think it's gonna be like, as you go for the blue streamer, Earth, then the
Mario,
following
you
one.
saved me. Oh, thank goodness.
There we go, another sticker.
Rip that band-aid off.
Really? That's it? Oh man, I was hoping he'd have something.
Greek god style.
Yeah.
I'll help you, but I mean, what do you have for me?
Yeah.
So, maybe...
Those foot soldiers locked me out because I work here. They cornered even more of us in the staff room. I'm so worried. We go check on them, you can find the staff room in the east side of the park. The entrance is hidden. Visitors were getting bold, so we had to get a bit sneaky.
God, I hated that. I used to work at an amusement park in, like, the food service.
Uh-huh.
And, like, patrons would always come back into our kitchens and be like, excuse me, there's no more relish. And would be like,
God.
get the fuck out of the kitchen!
I know.
What are you doing in here?
Oh, shit.
I failed.
The struggle is real. Is it a bell?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
The paper macho walks. We are free, sort of.
Okay, well that's gotta be important. I think I gotta do battle with the paper macho. Hang on, Toad. I'm coming.
Oh, he looks terrified.
I see his sticker.
Buddy, you got something on your butt. Just thought I'd
Whoa, 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 whoa,
let
whoa,
you know.
whoa, 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 whoa,
Ah!
whoa, whoa. You may be fast. Haha, you're dazed and confused.
Me too, guy.
Now I got you. Okay, so they were over here.
But they escaped because they're free,
True.
sort of.
But there's something else over here. Nope. Aw, the straw. Nope. Hey, kid can dream, can he?
How would you open a door with a straw? Pick the lock with a straw.
It's my guess. Oh, I already did this.
Okay.
All right, what haven't we done yet? Well, we went through the west side.
Yeah, now we have to, like,
Now we gotta make our
I
way
guess,
east, I guess.
go and look at the break room.
Okay. Like, this is the one that's guarded by the dog. Yeah, I'm not getting anywhere without a bone.
I wonder, could the bone daddies, which I don't know what they're
Yeah,
called.
but they need something.
Could,
They needed something
could
to
you
toss.
see if they could toss the straw?
Oh, hold on. Let's go this way first.
See what you can find.
Yeah. Toads.
Toads everywhere, toads.
Someone real suspicious was heading for the old ninja house.
Oh, shit.
Mario's just like, I'm so kawaii.
Okay, so I'm feeling that once again we'll comb these guys out and we'll see you guys in the next part.
Toodles. Pause it.